Where does your black pride come from?
The reason why I'm so passionate about black people is because for a long time, and we still are, we've been denigrated in society, we've been put down, we've been oppressed, we've never really been lifted, we've never really been championed, we've never been elevated. And I think that can have really damaging ramifications on one's self-esteem, on how we show up in the world. And if we don't start championing and celebrating ourselves, nobody will. And I think it's incumbent upon all of us to really shout about our successes and really shout about who we are and really celebrate, genuinely celebrate ourselves, because we're building back what society has broken. And we're trying to repair back those wounds and those scars that we've inherited from our ancestors.